Hello everyone, my name is Samandre Fres, and today we are going to solve problem number 2, which is configuring IP addresses using DHCP role. So let's begin. Let's go to Server Manager and we're going to add roles. And then we're going to check the DHCP server. Click next. So we're going to check our DNS. We need to validate. After that, just proceed to the next step. Just proceed all these. So choose disable IPv6 and then let's install the DHCP. So wait for the installation process. So the installation has been successful. Let's restart our server. So let's go to roles and add a scope for our DHCP. So click on DHCP server, go to our server domain and go to IPv4, and we have not yet have any scope, so let's add a new scope. So this is the welcome to new scope wizard. So we're going to name our scope, which is Labroom, to be more specific. Labroom scope. So let's set up our starting point and end point of our IP address. So we're going to use class B. So 160.100.1, and then the end of the IP address will be 160.100.100.254. So let's set up again our starting point and end point of our IP address. So we're going to add those. Then click on next. Proceed this. Next. Just proceed. Proceed. Yes, I will activate. So we have our new scope. It's called Labroom scope. It has address pool, address leases, reservations, and scope options. So let's go to our client side. We're going to set up our IP address. So install DHCP. So we're going to set up our IP address automatically. So let's go to local area connection, properties, go to IPv4. So we have the IP address here, the current IP address, the static that we set up in problem 1. So we need to click on obtain an IP address automatically. Let's go back to our server and go to address leases, refresh, and as you can see, we have our displayed IPs there, which is the available IP address that has been connected to our server. So in our other client OS, we're going to put the same process, obtain IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. As you can see, we have now it has displayed our available IP addresses that have been connected to the server, which is the 2 PC. So that's it for our problem number 2. So thank you for watching.